Hi, I'm Amit from Lithe Audio, and I'm going to give you a real good overview of our range of products. So these are our ceiling speakers. These are active ceiling speakers, and the whole idea with this product is they have the amps, the connectivity, and ceiling speaker all in one. So you can retrofit these in many applications, or if it's a new build, it's just super fast and easy to install. So you simply got to get power to them, which you can do in a couple of ways. So with the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi model, you use a little power adapter, just little Wago style clips, power in there, and it's as simple as that. With the Pro Series model, you also have the option of running PoE into there, so you can power these via a cat cable straight into there as well. The difference between the three models is this one is a Bluetooth model and is a single room solution. So these are typically used in hotels, apartment blocks, or simple single room projects. People doing an extension at the back of their house, a bathroom, for example. That's the Bluetooth model. The grey one here is a Wi-Fi based model, and this gives you the AirPlay 2, Google Chromecast, and Bluetooth as well. And that allows you to do full multi-room applications. So you can group, zone, play the whole house, and do it with that. So that's the grey one there. The red one is our Pro Series model, and this has drivers for control systems. You've got hardwire Ethernet ports, power via PoE. You have WiSA capabilities, so you can create a full Dolby Atmos in-ceiling surround sound system, but with no AVR and no cables whatsoever. So really simple way of getting ceiling speakers in without all the usual amps, cables, racks, and other equipment that you need.
Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+.